All right, what a nice time to walk around. Can you see the two towers? Yeah, you can see that tower in the background. And we are on a pedestrian street, main road that's been turned into a pedestrian street. Nice. I'm enjoying Bologna more the second time around. A lot of times that happens. That guy almost ran into me. He had all that space and he had to go, he bumped into me. Anyway, a lot of times you enjoy the sights more the second time you're there. And I'm enjoying Bologna more. Second time I'm here. Well, the first time was a real short visit. First time I was only here for a brief time to fly out. This time I'm here for 3 days, but this is the only time that I'll be here, I think. Yeah, these are Boy Scouts, I think. I saw them at the train station. Well, there's girls too, so some kind of scouts. Yeah, they were waving at the vlog. Another old castle looking thing. And we are here. So this is, what was it again? Palazzo Rienzo. This must be it. Palazzo Rienzo. Palazzo Rienzo. Probably a palace for a guy named Enzo. That's my guess. Oh, there's something here too. Let's check that out. Oh, this is where we went through. We were here just at the beginning. So maybe that's Palazzo Rienzo. One of this is Palazzo Rienzo. Okay, next is Piazza Maggiore. Piazza Maggiore. So Piazza Maggiore is just straight ahead. Let me see which one is Palazzo. Oh, this is Rienzo. It says right there, Rienzo. So this one's Rienzo. And they got some information on that, so let's look it up. Okay, it's in Italian, but it was built, I think, in 1244. Okay, that's an unusual fountain because she got water squirting out of her breast. At least her private parts are covered. There's fountain water coming out of the dolphin's eyes. A lot of things happening. That guy's squirting water out of his mouth.
Forse quella che sola ti può dare un'iniezione, quella che di giorno chiami con disprezzo specie di Troia, quella che di notte stabilisce prezzo alla tua gioia, tu la cercherai, tu la ritroverai.
Alright, we are at Piazza Maggiore. That's where they're having the film festival. Okay, next is Basilica di San Petronio. That's St. Peter's. That might be the one that I went to already. Let's see. Okay, Basilica St. Patronio. Basilica San Patronio is this way. Basilica Saint Petronino. Petronino? Petronio. Let's skip that one. And it must be the backside of this church. Must be a different church. The backside of this church. Neptune. I bet that those are the fountains that we saw. Okay, let's see. Yeah, those are the fountains of Neptune, with the woman squirting water out of her breast. That's the fountain of Neptune. Right there.
Grande applauso per Cinci, alla sinistra.
Okay, next is the... Yeah, so this is the fountain of Neptune. Okay, this is Prendi Park Tower. Prendi Park Tower. Prendi Park Tower. Experience. What does that mean? Let's go find out. 4-minute walk. Going back there.
There's so much to do.
And I think I'm gonna eat back here. This is a plaza that I like the most. And they got the movie screening too. So unless I find something better, I'm gonna eat there. Oh, that's the other tower. This is the Park Tower Sky Experience. It's closed, so I'm not gonna go any further. Right there, that tower. That's different from the 2 towers. So there's 3 big towers here. The other tower is behind this one. Okay, next one is the Fine Star. The last one I can't find. Fine Star. But we're done with the list. Alright, look at that sunset. Purple skies. Beautiful square. Alright, we're finished. We finished our list. We did the walking tour on our own. So we accomplished that. So we're going to celebrate with some dinner. I would say right here is the prettiest part of Bologna. This side is better looking, right here. And I'm gonna have dinner in the square.